You're watching the Top 10 Deal Zone. Let's jump right into our Costco August clearance deals. Up first, we have this 7.5-foot Tommy Bahama beach umbrella. Your price is $19.97. It features an aluminum telescoping pole and it has a sun protection factor of 100. It has a wind vent so that on a windy day it might not blow away. Stahicum has these women's sneakers available in black or taupe. Your price is $21.99. My store had women's sizes 6 to 10 available. Your store may vary. These had a very cushy sole. They look like they might be comfortable to wear for hours. Although it's not on clearance or closeout, I was very surprised to see this 7.5-foot animated monster already discounted $40. It features animated LCD eyes and it plays very spooky sounds. Your price is $140 after the discount. At that price, you could just put them next to the front door to help keep the solicitors away. On clearance at $220, check out this 3.5-foot Mickey Mouse pumpkin with infinity mirrors. This price includes the power adapter. It has 346 total LED lights, and 15 of those are twinkling style. It can be used both indoors or outdoors. It seems like the clearance price on these Elements rustic ceramic vases gets lower every time I see them. At $14.97, you can choose from 3 different styles and finishes. These vases are watertight and they're 17 inches high and 8.5 inches in diameter. These might be going fast. The inventory in my store was about half of what they were a week ago. Clearance price at $20, Pandex has these 5-piece melamine mixing bowl sets including the lids. The set includes a half quart, 1 quart, 2.1 quart, 3.6 quart, and a 5-quart size bowl. These are dishwasher safe and they don't take up much space because the entire set is nestable. If you're a Formula One fan, check out these Barago 143rd Formula die-cast sets in a 6-pack. They had the team Red Bull, Ferrari, Mercedes-Benz, and McLaren available. Your store may vary. If you are interested, keep an eye on them. The inventory in my store is about half of what it was in just the last couple of weeks. Clearance priced at $60, Timber Ridge has this zero-gravity lounger. It features a sliding side table, an adjustable pillow, and it's made with steel and aluminum frame construction. The convenient side table looks like it will hold your favorite beverage and possibly a small electronic device. It folds up pretty compact, so it should fit in the trunk of your car pretty easily. More camping-related gear, Titan Pro has this 40-can cooler at $19.97. It features a water and airtight seal, and it comes with 1 ice blanket included. It is collapsible, and it has a magnetic latch and lock. If you're carrying it a long distance, it also has an adjustable shoulder strap. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel out a ton. And stick around, Costco has a clearance item coming up with $400 off. You're going to want to see this one. This is the best price I've seen on this Waterpik 2-pack set. This set features the corded model, which you can leave permanently on top of your bathroom sink, and it also has the cordless model that you can take when you're on the go or traveling or on a trip. The corded model features 10 pressure settings, and the cordless model has 2 pressure settings. You'll be pleased to know the cordless model can get up to 9 weeks of use per charge. Costco has this Rowenta Pro Steam Iron clearance price at $60. It has 400 active steam holes and a 10.5-ounce water tank, plus it has an auto shutoff for your safety. It has 1,775 watts of heating power, and it heats up in less than 1 minute. On clearance, and with a manufacturer's $50 instant rebate, check out this Braun Series 9 Sport Shaver. After the discount, your price is $150. It gives an ultra-close and gentle shave with skin protection technology. And while we're covering bathroom-related items, at $20, check out this Landia 6-piece bath hardware set. The kit includes 2 24-inch towel bars, 1 toilet paper holder, 2 robe hooks, and 1 towel ring. And all of this is in a pleasant satin nickel finish. Compared to your favorite DIY store, this is coming in at about half price. For both the men and the women, at $12.97, Adidas has these Atleta comfort slides. My store had sizes 7 to 13. I have no idea if that's men or women's sizes. You'll probably have to try them on to make sure they fit. LG has this 34-inch ultra-wide 120 Hz computer monitor. Your price is $300. The stand is height, tilt, and swivel adjustable, and it features a 5 millisecond response time. That should make the gamers in your family pretty happy. It has both HDMI and DisplayPort inputs. Pike & Main has this 2-pack of Ophelia counter stools. These are clearance priced at $300. They feature rubber wood solids, fabric upholstered seats, and a self-centering swivel. And if you have tiles on your floor that aren't quite level, you'll be pleased to know they have adjustable leveling units. Temperatures around the country are still routinely hitting over 100 degrees. To help with that situation, Maui & Sons has this unisex lifeguard hat at $9.97. If that's not your style and you want to look more like an outdoor adventurer, check out this Orvis outdoor tech hat with a sun protection factor of 50+. It's clearanced priced at $13. I think I'll go with that one. I'd rather look like Indiana Jones. Even with those hats, maybe the heat outdoors is just simply too much for you. Check out this Hisense 8K portable air conditioner. It's clearance price at $280, and it can cool up to 350 square feet. It's very efficient because it uses an inverter-style compressor. I bought one, and I gotta say it cools off my spare bedroom very nicely. If you live near the sea, maybe you prefer to cool off in the ocean. At $32.79, Scott Burke has this 42-inch Pro Krypton bodyboard. It uses an EPS core, it only weighs 2.5 pounds, and it has a contoured molded deck. After that day at the beach or hiking in the mountains, you may want to try out this casual living lap desk. It holds your laptop at a convenient height so you can get some work done, hold your drink, and maybe even watch some TV at the same time. And it's clearance price at only $25. Clearance price at $23.99, Zrike has this 8-piece ceramic food storage set in a Hello Kitty style. The set is made with durable stoneware, and it has 2 large and 2 medium bowls. It also includes clear vented lids, and it has a nice decorated design. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Costco also had a peanut-style bowl set available. Not on sale or clearance, but a pretty unique find. Costco had this 20-inch Grinch in an ugly sweater. The design is by the artist Jim Shore. It's priced at $60, it's made for indoor use only, and it's hand-painted and it's made of resin. Will that price come down before Christmas? I guess we'll have to wait and see. On clearance at $40, KitchenAid has this stainless steel full-size dish drying rack. It has soft non-slip feet, removable utensil caddy, and it has an angled drain board. It has a stainless steel and very rust-resistant frame. It's also a large capacity rack. Don't need the curved monitor I showed you earlier. At $150, MSI has this 27-inch 170 Hz G-Sync compatible IPS gaming monitor. Boy, that was a mouthful. It has a fully adjustable stand, a 1 millisecond response time, and the resolution is 2560 by 1440. It also has 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort input. Big Joe has this Aura Drift inflatable pool chase with an electric pump. Your price is $30. It has a 400-pound maximum weight capacity, 3 nozzle attachments, and it has a 120-volt AC electric pump. It's made with durable PVC core, and it measures 32 by 64 by 24 inches. Mora has this 18 cubic foot top freezer refrigerator clearance price at $450. They claim it's fingerprint resistant, it has reversible doors, and it's garage ready. It can operate in 38 degrees all the way to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It has adjustable glass shelves and LED interior lighting, and the doors will hold 1-gallon containers. More clearance furniture. Bayside Furnishings has this Augusta 7-piece dining set on clearance at $900. It has rubber wood and poplar solids with oak veneers, and it has an 18-inch self-storing leaf. The chairs are fabric upholstered, and it has protective floor glides. It includes 1 table with 6 chairs. It measures 80 inches by 40 inches, and the removable leaf will reduce it by 30 inches. Apache Mills has this 30 by 47 inch Tribeca indoor-outdoor floor mat. It's priced at $15. It's made with a recycled rubber backing and a woven fabric surface. It's fade resistant and non-slip. When they describe it as oversized, I have to agree. It is a very large welcome mat. Although it was hidden away a little bit, I spotted this Turtle Wax Tropical Wash and Wax in a 128-ounce size. Your price is $9.97. It claims to have long-lasting foam, deep gloss, and a rich shine. Swirl-free cleaning with a pH-neutral formula. Sometimes you just want to have a tiny camera so you don't have to keep getting your phone out of your pocket. At $50, Minolta has this MND 23 48 megapixel point-and-shoot digital camera. That price is after a $30 manufacturer's instant rebate. It has a 16x digital zoom and it can record 4K UHD videos. This one seems like it's been around a little while. Dyson has this Ball Animal 3 Plus upright vacuum. Its clearance price at $280, and that's after a $110 manufacturer's instant rebate. They claim it cleans deep carpets better than any other upright detangling vacuum. Originally introduced at Costco at $900, Lifetrend has this cold plunge tub and chiller system. Its currently clearance price at $499.97. It claims to be a plug-and-play setup, and it reaches all the way down to 37 degrees, and it includes a dual filtration system. Alright, I promised you something earlier in the video with $400 off the original price. Check out this Dometic CFF50DZ portable cooler. Its clearance price at $499.97. This is arguably the Rolls-Royce of portable refrigeration. It has dual power compartments and it's adjustable from 0 to 50 degrees. It also has 2 different power cords available so you can run it on 110 or 12 volts. At $200, Dyson has this cool CF1 cooling fan. That price is after a $100 manufacturer's instant rebate. This uses their air multiplier projection technology for quiet and powerful cooling. On clearance at $9.89, Artiste Collection has this cotton gauze throw. It measures 60 inches by 70 inches. It's machine washable, and the face is made with a cotton gauze, and the reverse side is made with a polyester. Titan Pro has this 26-can backpack cooler. It has 5 insulated compartments, 7 accessory pockets, and your price is $29.97. And it's leak-proof so the water doesn't run down your back all day. Yep, it's still here. Nordic Ware has this indoor-outdoor kettle smoker at $30. It includes some wood chips to get you started, and it claims to be made in the USA with imported handles and a thermometer. It makes a lot of smoke, so be sure you use it in a well-ventilated area. OmniBreeze has this 5-speed tower fan. Your price is $40. It includes internal oscillation, it's Wi-Fi compatible, and it has a 12-hour timer. The remote is also included at that price. That wraps up this week's deals. Next week, I'll be back with the best finds for Costco and Sam's Club. Subscribe now so you don't miss it, and tap one of these videos for even more deals right now.